Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I want to talk a little bit about Otlk Therapeutics. This is ticker symbol OTLK. As you guys can see on the screen here, they were up right around 6.5% today. But that's as they kind of just tanked as the day went on. They really opened the market very hot, very high. I mean, they closed yesterday at $2.26, and right around the market open, they were at $3.26. Things started out very hot, and even though they cooled off as the day went on, again, still being up 6.5% in a single day is still a very big deal. That is very big news. That's going to get people wondering what is going on and why is the stock doing so good. It's a really little stock, $418 million market cap, and what exactly is going on and where things might be headed for the stock in the future is what we're going to be talking about in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content so you guys can stay up to date on all my latest content and help us get closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers, which is our goal at the moment. With that being said, here we go. Getting into this article from investorplace.com, OTLK stock, the huge trial news lifting Otlk Therapeutics. So, as they say, investors today have their eye on a newly popping biotech play, Otlk Therapeutics. The company is reporting its newest clinical trial data today. Whenever these trials come out, they are always going to be a big news. They are always going to have massive effect on the stock prices. It can be very good, or it can be very bad, but all of these biotech plays are super valuable. I've made so many videos about different biotech companies because the things they do in a single day are absolutely insane. They will rip up for 40, 50, 60, 100, 200% in days, and then kind of crash down over the next couple of months, or continue to rip over the next couple of months. You never really know. But the single day movement on biotech stocks around trials, around FDA approval, around new drugs, new treatments is crazy. And they're awesome opportunities. Awesome opportunities to make a bunch of money, to lose a bunch of money, but an opportunity nonetheless. So with the positive results, it seems as though buyers are flocking to the play. Again, depends on when you were writing this article. If it was earlier in the day, yes, people were kind of flocking towards it. Later in the day, seemed like investors relaxed a little bit and maybe saw that maybe this stuff wasn't exciting as a lot of people thought. But anyway, they are a New Jersey-based clinical stage biotech company. They seek out therapies for age-related macular degeneration, diabetic macular edema, and branch retinal vein occlusion. So they're mostly focused on eye illnesses and things like that, eye kind of conditions. The company mainly focuses on treating these ailments through its Lightnava treatment. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that, to be honest. Today's news stems from clinical research relating particularly to Lightnava's effects on treating wet AMD. So, Otlk is reporting statistically significant efficacy of its Lightnava drug in treating wet AMD through its phase 3 trial per press release this morning. This is the catalyst sending OTLK stock up. The trial saw 228 subjects treated over 12 months, which is a fairly solid amount of time. A lot of these studies you'll see way shorter periods of time and way smaller sample sizes. Its goal is to restore a benchmark of 15 letters to the subject's best corrected visual acuity tests. Like obviously at the eye doctor when they show all the different signs and all the different letters and stuff like that. So getting you to see a little bit better. At the end of the treatment, the company is reporting that it met its goals with 41% of subjects treated with Lightnava achieving 15 letters to their BCVA test. According to the news release, the company is anticipating FDA approval to bring Lightnava to the market as early as next year. So again, next year, what is that? 4 or 5 months away still at this point. So this is a longer term play, even if you do believe in this stuff, which it's a problem with some of these biotech companies. They announce these big stories, and then maybe you don't hear about them for a couple of months, and investors really start to lose interest. They kind of forget about things until the trials come up, until the FDA approval dates come up, and then again, if your FDA approval time frame is coming up and you get approved, the stock rips once again, and if you don't, things crash very fast because again, small company, $418 million market cap, things are going to be volatile, but it does seem like they're having some steps in the right direction. But I mean, historically, looking at this stock, it's actually up 82% on the year. So this one has been very good to people. I mean, a lot of these small market cap stocks peaked in February and then sold off hard. But honestly, this one has held up a lot better than most. Being only down, it's crazy to say, but being only down 27% is really good. But man, when you zoom out a little bit, things are not so good. Down 91% over the past 5 years. So this is definitely a volatile, crazy stock. But honestly, maybe it found a bottom. I mean, right around in 2020, we're looking at 55 cents. And I mean, it's up 310% in the last like year and a half-ish. So a lot of crazy stuff going on with Outlook. At least they are showing some positive trials. At least they think they're getting close to FDA approval. And if that does happen, this stock could definitely have the potential to go crazy, especially if their treatments can live up to all the expectations and the claims that they're making. But we will just have to wait and see. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about OTLK? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.